Hello student, this is Poonam Dandare, Assistant Professor of Department of Information Technology of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology in Nagpur. In this lecture we have seen the IEEE standards and ZigBee networks. So definition of IEEE standard, that is we have used in wireless sensor network, we have used the IEEE 802.15.4. So basically IEEE 802 is a collection of networking standards that cover the physical and data link layer specification for technologies such as Ethernet and wireless. This specification apply to local area network, that is LAN, and metropolitan area network, that is MAN. IEEE 802 also aids in ensuring multi-vendor interoperability by promoting standards for vendors to follow. So essentially the IEEE 802 standards help make sure internet services and technologies follow a set of recommended practices so network devices can all work together smoothly. IEEE standard 802.15.4 defines the physical layer and medium access control, that is the MAC sublayer specification for low data rate wireless connectivity with fixed, portable and moving devices with no battery or very limited battery consumption requirements, typically operating in the personal operating space. It is a foreseen that depending on the application, a longer range at the lower data rate may be an acceptable trade-off. IEEE 802 is divided into 22 parts that cover the physical and data link aspects of networking. The family of standard is developed and maintained by the IEEE 802 LAN and MAN Standard Committee. So IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer. The set of standards started in 1979 with a local network for computer interconnection standard, which was approved a year later. So some commonly used standards include those for Ethernet, bridging and virtual bridge, LANs, wireless LAN, wireless PAN, MAN and radio access network, as well as media independent handover services. The better known specification include 802.3 Ethernet, 802.11 Wi-Fi and 802.15 Bluetooth and ZigBee. However, some of these standards have been labeled as disbanding or hibernating and are either suspended by newer standard or are being rewarded. So this is all about the IEEE standards. So IEEE 802.15.4 devices we are used for the wireless network. So these are the device types. The IEEE 802.15.4 standard define the device types that can be used in a LR, that is the wireless PAN, which are full functional devices and reduced functional devices. The reduced functional device can be used in simple application in which they do not need to transmit large amount of data and they have to communicate only with a specification, that is full functional device. That is, next is the IEEE 802.15.4 device types. The FED can work as PAN coordinator, as a coordinator or as a simple device. It can communicate with either another FED or a RFD. That is, next is the security in IEEE 802.15.4. Provides a security baseline including the ability to maintain an ACL and use symmetric cryptography for data encryption. The algorithm that is used for encryption is the AES. The higher level layers decide when security is needed. The upper layer are in general responsible for device authentication and key management. Next is the ZigBee. ZigBee protocol, it is used in the wireless technology, developed as an open global standard to address the unique needs of low cost, low power wireless IoT networks. The ZigBee standard operates on the IEEE 802.15.4 physical radio specification and operates in unlicensed bands including 2.4 GHz, 19 MHz and 868 MHz. The 802.15.4 specification upon which the ZigBee stack operates gained rectification by the IEEE in 2003. The specification is a packet-based radio protocol intended for low-cost battery-operated devices. The protocol allows devices to communicate in a variety of network topologies and can have battery life lasting several years. The ZigBee is an emerging standard that is based on the IEEE 802.15.4 and adds network construction, that is the star network, peer-to-peer, mesh network and the cluster tree network, application services and more. Next, why ZigBee? So ZigBee, they have the different types of functions. Standard based, low cost, can be used globally, reliable and self-healing, supports large number of nodes, easy to deploy, very long battery life and secure. The ZigBee protocol has been created and rectified by members companies of the ZigBee alliances. The ZigBee 3.0 protocol is designed to communicate data through noisy environment that are common in commercial and industrial application. So these are the some features of the ZigBee. That means support for multiple network topologies such as point-to-point, point-to-multipoint and mesh network. Low duty cycle, provides long battery life, low latency, direct sequence spectrum, up to 65,000 nodes per network, 128-bit AES encryption for data secure connection, collision avoidance, retries and acknowledgements. These are some features of the ZigBee. Next, the IEEE 802 wireless span. We have used the ZigBee standard uniquely fills a gap for low data rate applications. We have used the different types of wireless spaces. Next is the ZigBee promoters. There are some ZigBee promoter, that is Philips, Honeywell, Ember, Siemens, Samsung. These are some promoters which are used the ZigBee network. ZigBee applications. We use the ZigBee in a security, HYR, patient monitoring, fitness monitoring, commerce, info security and the TV, and these are some applications we are used a ZigBee network. Some application profiles, we use the home automations. That means a defined set of devices used in home automation. Light switches, thermostat, window shade, heating units and etc. So these are some application. Next is the industrial plant monitoring. More application profiles, that is the multiple profiles at various stages of completions. That means commercial, building automation, telecommunication service, automated meter reading, wireless sensor networks. In home patient monitoring, that means we used in hospitals. Commercial lighting control, wireless lighting control, extended network. ZigBee standard. ZigBee, a new standard which becomes publicly available in June 2005, is based on the IEEE 802.15.4 standard. It expands the IEEE 802.15.4 by adding the framework for the network construction, security and application layer services. There are the two security, centralized security and distributed security. So this is the ZigBee stack. We have used the IEEE 802.15.4 as the layer, ZigBee alliances, end manufactured, layer function and layer interface. So these are this ZigBee stack which we can use some devices. And the layer which are used, the physical layer, MAC layer, the management plant, the ZigBee devices and the application layer. This is the ZigBee network. So we have used the mesh topology, star topology, point-to-point connection and the ZigBee router and ZigBee coordinator. Security in ZigBee. Security services provided by ZigBee key establishment, key transport, frame protection and device management. The security mechanism covers the network and the application layer. The notion of end-to-end security is supported. The source and destination devices have access and use the same share key. In the MAC layer, the 802.15.4 AES mechanism provides the proper security. There are the two security, that is the centralized security and distributed security. Centralized security method employs a coordinator trust center that forms the network and manages the allocation of network and link security keys to joining nodes. And in distributed security, this method has no coordinator trust center and is formed by a router. Any ZigBee router node can be subsequently provide the network key to joining nodes. So this is all about the security in ZigBee. Next is the mechanism protects the confidentiality, integrity and authentication of the MAC frames. An auxiliary header fields in front of the MAC payload indicates if the frame is encrypted or not. The MAC frame's integrity is supported by calculating and using a MIC at the end of the MAC payload. Nonce is used to provide MAC confidentiality and authenticity. Thank you. This is all about the IEEE standard and ZigBee networks. So thank you to all.